AI dropshipping is a contemporary e-commerce model that integrates artificial intelligence. This system leverages AI to streamline and automate various operational aspects of dropshipping. The primary goal is to significantly reduce the need for manual intervention in the process. AI algorithms can manage tasks such as product selection, pricing, and inventory management. This automation enhances efficiency and scalability within the e-commerce framework. The process of identifying high-demand products for dropshipping begins with advanced AI analysis. AI systems analyze vast datasets, including social media trends and viral content. This analysis aims to identify emerging patterns and consumer interests. The primary objective is to pinpoint products with significant market demand. This predictive analysis mechanism is crucial for identifying potential winning products. Such products are then recommended for dropshipping ventures due to their high market potential. Artificial intelligence, AI, revolutionizes product discovery by analyzing vast amounts of data. AI algorithms can scrutinize social media platforms, like TikTok, to identify emerging trends. This analysis detects viral items and popular products in real time. The capability allows for rapid identification of market-relevant products. It significantly reduces the need for extensive and time-consuming manual market research. Once products are identified, AI tools can construct an entire e-commerce store. This process begins with setting up the foundational platform infrastructure. AI configures the necessary back-end systems to support online operation. It then proceeds to organize and configure all product listings. This includes categorizing items, adding descriptions, and managing inventory data. Finally, AI designs the storefront interface, ensuring an optimal user experience. Artificial intelligence can rapidly construct a fully functional Shopify store. This process can be completed in a remarkably short time frame, such as 30 minutes. The rapid deployment significantly reduces the initial setup time required for e-commerce. It also minimizes the need for extensive technical expertise from the user. AI image generation is transforming e-commerce product presentation. It enables the creation of high-quality product images for online stores. Generative AI tools, like Midjourney, are key to this technology. These tools produce visually appealing and professional product visuals. This eliminates the need for traditional photography setups and costs. AI-generated images enhance product appeal and streamline e-commerce operations. Artificial intelligence is increasingly utilized for generating advertising copy. These AI algorithms are designed to craft compelling and persuasive text. The primary goal is to attract customers and enhance engagement across various platforms. AI-generated copy optimizes conversion rates for diverse marketing channels. AI video tools are revolutionizing the creation of video advertisements. These advanced tools are specifically designed to produce engaging marketing content. They are particularly effective for platforms like Facebook and other social media channels. The core function of these AI tools is to automate the video creation process. This automation results in dynamic and attention-grabbing video ads. AI-driven video production streamlines workflows and enhances content quality for digital marketing. AI-powered chatbots and systems are integral to modern customer service operation. These automated solutions efficiently handle a wide range of customer inquiries and support requests. Automation ensures continuous customer service availability, operating 24/7 without interruption. They effectively address common questions and resolve issues, enhancing operational efficiency. The AI dropshipping model operates efficiently without requiring physical inventory management. This business model eliminates the need for merchants to store products themselves. When a customer places an order, the AI system automatically processes the request. The system then forwards the order details directly to a third-party supplier. The supplier is responsible for packaging and shipping the product directly to the customer. In a dropshipping model, the dropshipper does not directly handle product shipping. The supplier is responsible for managing all logistical aspects of the order. This includes packaging the product securely for transit. The supplier then delivers the items directly to the end customer. This business model eliminates the need for physical product management. It specifically removes the overhead costs associated with managing a warehouse. Consequently, Initial capital investment requirements are significantly reduced. Operational complexities are also substantially minimized. This leads to a more streamlined and cost-efficient business operation. This system targets high profitability through strategic financial management. Operational expenses are minimized to enhance the overall profit margin. AI-driven marketing strategies are employed to maximize sales efficiency. This approach generates substantial revenue with minimal personal effort. AI-driven approaches enhance efficiency in market entry strategies. This efficiency can lead to rapid sales generation. Initial sales may occur within hours of a store's launch. This demonstrates an accelerated capability for market penetration. AI dropshipping automates critical functions, marking a significant shift from traditional e-commerce. This automation substantially reduces the need for manual labor in various operational aspects. It also minimizes inventory risks, as products are shipped directly from suppliers to customers. Furthermore, AI streamlines shipping logistics, leading to enhanced overall operational efficiency. AI dropshipping offers significant advantages for business operation. A key benefit is the elimination of inventory management, reducing storage and handling costs. Businesses also avoid direct shipping responsibilities, as suppliers handle fulfillment. This model significantly reduces operational complexities and administrative burdens. It positions AI dropshipping as a highly scalable business model. The approach requires minimal maintenance, allowing focus on growth and strategy.